Money doesn't care about you. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Welcome to part 2. Now we stop destroying lies and start building the truth. First topic, money. Do you think money is evil, or do you think it is a blessing from God? Stop being so emotional. Money is not good. Money is not bad. Money is just energy. Does electricity care if it powers a hospital to save lives or an electric chair to kill someone? No, it just flows where there is a conductor. Money is exactly the same. It doesn't care if you are a kind person or a criminal. It only cares about one thing. Where is the value? The law of gravity. Think of money as gravity. Gravity doesn't judge. It just pulls objects towards mass. If you have a massive planet, asteroids will hit you whether you want them or not. In the world of finance, value is Massachusetts. If you build yourself into a person of high value, mass, money will fall into your lap like an apple falling from a tree. It is unavoidable, but you are sitting there with zero mass, zero value, crying and praying for money to come. You are basically asking gravity to stop working. That is not faith. That is insanity. Don't chase, attract. Why does the lottery winner lose everything in 3 years? Because he had the money, but he didn't have the mass, the container to hold it. The gravity was weak, so the money just floated away into space. Stop chasing money. You cannot catch the wind. Instead, build your own gravity. Increase your skills, solve expensive problems, and become heavy with value. Then you won't have to chase money. Money will be trapped in your orbit. Money is a science. Stop treating wealth like a lottery or a miracle. Treat it like physics. Input creates output. Mass creates gravity. Value creates wealth. It is a cold, hard equation. If you are broke, don't cry. Just check your equation. Your value variable is probably 0. Wipe your tears. Open your calculator. Money is looking for a place to go. Make yourself that place. In the next video, we will discuss the fundamental rule of this physics, the law of exchange. Give first. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.